Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Clinical studies show that ingesting coconut oil raises total blood cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, which is the kind of cholesterol that clogs arteries and leads to heart attack and stroke. So as a result, I don't recommend ingesting coconut oil or other foods that are high in these long-chain saturated fats shown to raise cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. However, for those of you who are fans of the coconut oil movement, I have some very good news. Studies in major journals have shown that applying coconut oil to your hair and skin topically can provide significant benefits to the health, appearance, and integrity of these tissues. So with respect to hair, coconut oil can penetrate the scalp and hair follicles to nourish them with rich fatty acids to replace what cold and dry temperatures normally remove or deplete. So during the winter months, especially when the air is dry, and you're using heat, often from a furnace which dries the air, you get this dry heat that sort of depletes the moisture from hair. Putting coconut oil in your hair at the scalp level can actually help keep hair silky smooth with great sheen and frizz-free, according to published data. So coconut oil does this very well, or even better than many hair conditioning products that are much more expensive. And it doesn't require daily application, but rather sort of applying it once every 2 weeks, twice a month, if you will. You simply apply coconut oil to the base of your scalp, right down to the tips of the hair follicles at night, while massaging it in. And then you cover your hair with a towel wrap before you go to bed, and I would recommend putting a towel or two on your pillow as well while you're sleeping that night. Then wash your hair when you wake up in the morning and rinse it really well. This sort of deep conditioning approach has been shown to be very successful in restoring damaged hair and protecting hair from cold and dry environmental stressors. So topical application of coconut oil also nourishes the skin and can be used to prevent skin from drying and cracking when the air is very dry. So it's especially helpful for sort of cracked heels that sort of are very painful when you're walking around and the skin on the heels is sort of cracked and dry. Sometimes it bleeds a little. So simply, you massage coconut oil into your feet at night where the skin is dry or cracked. Put on a pair of socks to insulate it as you sleep overnight. Then you wipe off the excess oil in the morning. And the antioxidants in coconut oil have also been shown to help speed up healing of the skin, and the phytonutrients in coconut oil can help to prevent infections from occurring in areas where the skin is cracked, dry, or chafed. And this is because coconut oil contains some natural antimicrobial agents. And topical coconut oil has also been shown to diminish scars on the skin. It can help reduce eye puffiness to some degree and can be used to even moisturize lips. In fact, if you want to keep all of your skin sort of hydrated better, you can apply coconut oil to your entire body after you have a shower. But be careful not to overdo it, as you only need a small amount to get this hydration effect. Applying too much coconut oil to your skin can actually make your skin itchy and very uncomfortable. So topical application of coconut oil has been shown to provide preventive, therapeutic, and even anti-aging benefits to the skin and hair when it's applied judiciously. The research backs up these claims, and I provided some of the scientific references in the text below should you wish to explore this in more detail. But remember, though, that some people can be allergic to coconut oil, even when it's applied topically. It's rare, but more likely to occur in people who have other food or environmental allergies, people who suffer from contact dermatitis, and especially in those with tree nut allergies. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.